Calculating area. I can calculate the area of rectangles, parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. These are our area formulas. They are in your notes. Little b means base. Little h means height. So we have the area of rectangle in parallelogram is area equals base times height. If the letters are right next to each other, that means multiplication. Triangle is area equals 1/2 base times height. And a trapezoid is area equals 1/2 height times the base 1 plus base 2. This should be a 2. So we are going to calculate the area of the rectangle. So this is base times height. That means I'm going to take the 5/7 times 3/4. We're going to multiply fractions just like we learned. That's 15/28. And we have to put our units, and they are centimeters squared. Area of a parallelogram is base times height. However, we have to determine what the height is. The height is going to be this line that comes down and makes the right angle with the base, and that is called an altitude. So here we have 32 times 14. That equals 448, and our units are yards, and it's area, so it will be squared. Area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, because if you can see, the triangle itself is exactly 1/2 of a rectangle. This is the same as a trapezoid. This is the same as a trapezoid, where you have to calculate the height where there's a right angle with the base. So here, I'm going to multiply the 6 times 8 first. And then I multiply that by 1/2, which is also the same thing as dividing by 2. So 24 centimeters squared. Area of a triangle again. So sometimes where we have to make the right angle, it's not even in the triangle. So we have this dotted line, and that is our altitude. So area equals 1/2 times 7 times 16. 7 times 16 is 112. Bring everything down. I multiply by 1/2 or divide by 2, and I get 56, and I don't have any units here, so I'm going to say units squared. Area of a trapezoid. So here we have multiple things going on, but it's 1/2 height, and then we take the base 1 and add it to base 2 and multiply it with the height. So we're just going to plug in again. So area equals 1/2. We're looking at the altitude where it forms that right angle. That's my height. Times 9 times base 1 and base 2. It does not matter the order because we're adding. And then we have to perform order of operations. So parentheses first, that's 16. Bring everything else down. So area is 1/2. 9 times 16 is 144. We're going to take half of 144 and area equals 72. And once again, we don't have units, so we will say units squared. Okay, you try it. Find the area of this triangle.